How to make a man want you badly. 4 easy tips to make him crave you and addicted to you. Do you want to know how to make him want you? Or are you someone who has trouble attracting men? If so, we feel your pain. Finding and keeping a man is not a simple task. There are, however, some secrets to make any man crave you. Today, you'll learn everything you need to know about having him chase you and stick to you like glue. But in order to achieve this in your relationship, you must make conscious efforts to make him desire you the way he has always wanted you. No force in the world can damage your relationship or steal your man if you make him crave you. Because we know your pain, we've compiled a list of 4 techniques that will make your man desire you more than ever. Let us warn you, once you start using these tactics, your partner will never leave your side. 1. Be the best version of yourself. My first and most crucial piece of advice is to avoid pretending to be someone you're not. When you are happy with yourself, it is much easier to find love. There will be no requirement to change your personality in order to fit into a relationship. Instead, be yourself and look for someone who accepts you for who you are. This will make it easy to find a man who wants you. You don't need to change anything about yourself. Instead, you must be comfortable with yourself. Why is this so significant? Well, when you love yourself and feel good about yourself, you are instantly more appealing to others. It's true. Men will be significantly more attracted to you than before. But what does it mean to be the best version of yourself? That is, you must believe in yourself. You must love yourself and be proud of who you are. It's incredible how simple it is to find a man when you're comfortable with yourself. Find your life's passion, the thing that gives you purpose, and follow it wholeheartedly. When you pursue your passion, you will notice that you become more appealing to men. It's like a magnet. You'll attract guys who are seeking someone who can make a difference in their lives, which is precisely what you do. Don't be frightened to go after what you want in life. Instead, be confident in what you have and go after it with all of your strength. When you have passion, it is much easier to discover love and share your passions with others. Share your passion with the world and let everyone know how much you adore it. And the greatest part, when you concentrate on yourself and your interests, you will not be as desperate to meet a partner. It's odd, but once you're no longer looking for the one, he'll want you even more. Okay, but how do I get him to like me? You're undoubtedly asking. This is where the second step comes in. 2. Show him your value. If you want to be in a relationship, show him what he will benefit from being in a relationship with you. Show him how amazing you are, so that he will want to be with you. You must understand what you contribute to the table. Be confident in your skills and aware of your weaknesses. Show him what you have to offer so that he understands your value. You may accomplish this by exuding confidence around him. Being with him will make him realize your value. The key: if you are insecure about yourself, he will notice that too. He will see that you lack confidence and are unworthy of his time. Show him your worth so that he would want to be with you. You see, if you fail to understand your own value and believe you don't deserve him, what makes you think he will? Starting with yourself is the first step in all of this. You have to care for yourself, nourish yourself, and love yourself. You will never be able to attract the right kind of man if you do not believe you are deserving of love and being in a relationship. That is why it is critical to demonstrate your value to him. Nobody else will believe in you if you don't believe in yourself. You may be asking, how can I demonstrate my value to him? What do I bring to the table? Some women believe that they must be breathtakingly attractive in order to entice a man. But this is not the case. Sure, physical appeal is what first draws a man in. But in the end, it boils down to something quite different. Let's begin with the matter of attraction. If the only thing you have to give is your attractiveness, he will quickly find someone who is similarly attractive. Because the world is full of gorgeous women. Furthermore, your attractiveness will shift and change as you age, so making it the sole thing that draws a man is not a good idea. Instead, concentrate on the additional value you may provide for him. caring, compassion, love. Someone who is willing to hear him out. Someone who allows him to be his divine masculinity. A lady who supports his goals. You get the idea. You have so much to contribute, and it doesn't have to be about your appearance or your profession. You can show him how amazing you are. Once you recognize it, you may demonstrate your confidence and affection for him. Not only that, but you may also demonstrate to him that you are a woman who is unashamedly herself, and that is all that matters. Keep this word in mind. No man can resist a woman who oozes confidence and feels good about herself. 3. Make him feel like your protector. Remember all those movies in which a male defends his heroine from her enemies and assists her in dealing with life's difficulties. This is not a coincidence because it occurs in both real life and movies, though in movies, their protective attitude is sometimes exaggerated. The point is, every man wants to know that he can protect you. Men love it when you make them feel like they can take care of you and shield you from all of life's villains and problems. All you have to do, women, is allow them to. Even while you're perfectly capable of taking care of yourself, you need to make your partner feel like he's your protector. Allowing him to demonstrate his strength and assist you will make him feel strong and helpful. He'll grow hooked to this sensation over time and get addicted to you. 4. Take initiative sometimes. Did you know that guys like women who take the initiative from time to time? I'll explain why. Because it demonstrates self-assurance and, dare I say, dominance. It also shows him that you're engaged and invested. Men do not want to be the ones who always make suggestions or initiate things. They will lose interest if they observe a woman doing nothing but waiting for them to do everything. It is a universal law. That is how dating and relationships function. Okay, so that's not exactly a universal law, but it should be. Reciprocity is essential. If he's normally the one who asks you out on a date, surprise him by being the one who asks him out for a change. If he's the one who constantly initiates hugging and steamy sessions, switch roles and show him how bold and confident you are. Send him romantic text messages or select some weird things to say to your partner. Show him how much you desire him in person. Believe me, this will completely enchant him. Well, here you have it. 4 easy tips to make him crave you and get him addicted. Remember that relationships are all about giving and taking. So give him the same respect and admiration that you expect from him. By following these suggestions, you can not only make him want you badly, but also strengthen your bond. Well, hope the video helped. Thanks for watching.